So my name is Joe and I teach English and academic skills to our international students here at Swansea University. So hedging language is sometimes called careful language or cautious language, and we use this to sort of show that we're not 100% certain about something. You see, there's a difference between facts and claims. I mean, a fact could be something like the sky is blue, but a claim, let's take for example, in 100 years' time, most manual work will be done by machines. Now, I'm pretty certain about that. It's quite likely most manual jobs will become automated, but I'm not 100% sure. So I need to use some special language to show this to the person reading my writing. So instead, maybe we could say machines will probably perform most manual jobs in 100 years' time. Probably is an adverb of certainty here, saying that I think this is very possible. You can also use starting phrases like it is likely that or it is probable that, and these show again you're pretty certain about this future outcome. There's actually so many different ways to hedge in English. Think about those modal verbs, could and might. So, you know, machines could take most of the manual jobs. Could means, well, I'm about 50-50. I'm not sure if they will, I'm not sure if they won't. Of course, with our machines or automation example, we're quite certain that it will happen. What about if you're quite certain it won't happen? Something is unlikely. There are hedging phrases again, so you could say it is unlikely that, or it is not possible that. There are all sorts of phrases you can use to show that you really don't think something is going to happen. I would say, for example, it is unlikely that dinosaurs will return. Well, I hope so anyway, mind you. I think we've all seen Jurassic Park and we all know that there is a small chance that it could happen, right? So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to find out more, please check out our channel and watch all of our videos, and of course like and comment and, you know, ask your own questions.